Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'll be reviewing the reveal box. I actually have like 20 books in my TBR and my husband told me you shouldn't get this, but I got it anyway, and he doesn't even watch my video, so he's not even gonna know, so shh. Anyways, before we continue with this box, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below if you guys are a part of any subscription book boxes or any other subscriptions, and which one are the best book review or book subscription boxes is what this is. I'm pretty sure, but I keep seeing them. I'm like, I need one, even though I have so many books. But anyway, let's go on to the rest of the video. Just a heads up, you're probably gonna hear like Coco Melon in the background. My son, he's walking around with his veggie chips, eating and watching Coco Melon. But anyway, so it says, join the club, share the love. It is the reveal book box. So I got the I think there are 2 books in here. Let's open this up together. I haven't opened it up yet. I just broke the seal just so I can see. This is what it looks like. Oh, here's my 1-year-old. Here comes. Ah, exciting. All right. Open this up together. I put it this way so you guys can see a better view. Let's rip this. I ripped it a lot. Okay. So many things in here. So many things. So it says, hey there, book bestie. Welcome to the club. You guys can pause and read that if you would like to join. There is a little candle. Artisan hand poured soy candle. Love that. Here you go. A discount if you would like to get some soy candles. I'll bake love to you. Woo! So I'm guessing one of these books is based on baking. I'm gonna go through all this, but with you watching me. Put up a little bit, and we're gonna go through each thing. I already showed you some parts of the beginning because I was trying to do it on that way, but I don't even like that way I did it. But this is the card. Smells good in here. So, oh, it's this candle. All right, so it's called Candle Crest Artisan Hand Poured Soy Candle. That's what I got. You guys can save, use that coupon. All right, so I'm not sure if this is a hint for one of the books, but it says, I'll bake love to you. I'll bake love to you. This is what it looks like. And you know what? I need a new kitchen mat, like a pan, whatever this is called. So we're gonna have this in my kitchen. A lollipop. Oh, I'm excited to know what these books are about. This is strawberry flavored. This is a monthly giveaway. Oh, I'm gonna enter, so hopefully I win another box. Well, I win a box, but I didn't. This one I didn't win. I bought it. It says love books. It is a suitcase tag or travel tag, which is definitely a must have when you're traveling. Let's see, a hand cream, peach and plants from Sador, I think it's called. It's pronounced. Oh, it smells good. I don't want to open it yet because I'm like, what if I don't use it? I can always gift it away. That's how I am. Then there is a little tattoo, and I think it says love something. This is what it looks like. Oh, a bookmark. You know what? I don't have a bookmark, so this is a must reveal book to be continued. All right. Ooh. Cowboys and Angels series. I don't know if that's what I got, but this is that series. Ooh, I got a cute little pen. It says books. Oh, it has the heartbeat. Hold on, let me take it out of the plastic. It has a little heartbeat. This is cute. Oh, it has a flashlight. This is cute. Oh, and there's a little twist. Oh. All right, we're almost getting to the books. Hold on. What is this? I just talked about like the real book box and information. Okay, so the 2 books that are in here. 2 very different books. So the first one is Good Time Boyfriend, the first time series by Carrie Ann, New York best-selling author Ryan. Oh, Carrie Ann Ryan, my bad, sorry. I don't know why I split it up like that. So this is the first book. It says, a new town, a new bar, a new life. At least that's what I'm hoping for. I moved to Denver to try to piece my family back together, but have no idea how to do that. Then the most beautiful woman I've ever seen walks into the bar, and I think things are looking up. This is a guy's perspective. But when the sun rises, reality settles in, and I know what I want more. Only I don't think she's ready for that. I don't think she's ready for what I have to give. I want to be more than a good time, but I know what I'm good for. I need control, and she's far too innocent. Whoa, this is a spicy book. Only when something happens that changes the rules, we'll have to make a choice quickly, or we can lose everything before it even starts. How many pages is this? This is only 263 pages, so it's a quick read, not that thick, but very interesting, very interesting. Then the next book, it is Visions of Darkness, New York Times and USA Today's best-selling author A.L. Jackson. This is what it looks like. All right, the synopsis, or just like what it's about. Araya Realta, I don't know if I'm saying her name correctly, is a girl of two realities. One she was born to, the other she was chosen for. Both are a threat. Every night when Ariel falls asleep, she enters the nightmare world of Fedor to fight a war. It's her calling to help destroy the Cruen, who feed sin and chaos to our everyday world of vulnerable humans. It would be a lonely realm in which to do battle if not for Pax, Araya's dangerously irresistible soulmate, whose mere touch can kill. It's also a realm that's getting harder to escape. Okay, these are way two different books, like genres. Aria's hallucinations are seeping into her waking world, and the Cruen are coming for her. To help Aria, Pax must do what no one in Fedor has dared to do before. Join his soulmate in the light of day. Giving in to their forbidden attraction could be the death of them. But they might not be able to stop themselves as they embark on a cross-country journey to fight the evils hunting them. As their desire grows, so does Aria's untapped powers and menacing new force far darker than Cruen. I like it. I like it when like the main character, obviously the female, and like, you know, I like what is it, sci-fi fiction, not sci-fi, fantasy, and that she has powers. All right, how many pages is this? This is 370 pages. I kind of like that. I like to try new and different books. I like different. I don't want the same thing. I want two obviously very different books. My TBR, if you saw, is very different. Some are fantasy, some is romance, some is spicy, some is just sci-fi. I need to add more thriller to my repertoire of books, but overall, I think this is a cute little box. I like the little knickknacks they put inside, little candy, little sweet, little so good. That candle smells so good, by the way. The candle is amazing. I just smell it because of the candle. And then I like the little cream, and I'm so in love with this pen. First of all, super cute pen. And most definitely love this. This has nothing to do with any of these books, I think, but it's still super cute. And yes, I'm gonna put this in my kitchen. My husband's gonna be like, where did you get this? I'm like, don't worry about it, because he doesn't know that I ordered more books. He doesn't know, he doesn't need to know. But definitely will be getting another box. Maybe, I'm not sure. But I probably will. I'll just keep the subscription and keep getting books. I'll probably read these before I read my TBR ones, which are bad. But anyway, because they're shorter reads. All my books in my TBR are like, so like all my books that are in my TBR are like hard reads. Like you have like, there's a lot of detail. You have to focus, okay? Especially two of the books I tried reading, I couldn't get into it. But these should be quick and easy reads. But anyway, so thank you for watching my video. If you have a subscription box that you really like, let me know down in the comments, because I'm always looking for more books. Shh, don't tell my husband. And I'm definitely gonna keep the subscription, so stay tuned for probably more videos of me opening up a reveal box. And thank you guys so much for watching my video. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. And like always, please, please, please stay safe out there. Bye now. Okay.